How to change your currency display setting on Coinbase. First, let's go to the app, then tap on three dashes into the top left corner. Now you have to tap on Profile and Setting. Then you have to tap right where you see native currency. And from here, you can search for the currency that you like to use. For instance, if I like to use USD, you can simply type in it and tap on it. That's it. Now if I like to change the country, I'll simply tap on country. As you can see here, to change your country, please follow the steps listed on this spot page and simply tap on spot page right here and see if you recently changed your place of residency or your account is set up to an inquiry. You can update this information from your profile and tap on profile right here, and it's gonna carry into your Coinbase account. And from here, you'll simply enter your email and password. And then you can change the country also. If you like the video, give me thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button.